River and Sia here at Magiq Atlas, and today we're in Disneyland Park, taking a look at the Alice in Wonderland ride in Fantasyland. The Alice in Wonderland ride was built in 1958, making it over 60 years old, and it's still a favorite among Disneyland lovers of all ages. This attraction in Disneyland, California is the only one of its kind throughout the entire Disney Parks family.
The line for this attraction is usually full, but as the square footage for the ride queue is quite small, it makes the wait appear longer than it is. The Caterpillar ride car sits 3 to 4 people, meaning it embarks in larger groups, which helps move the end of the line forward faster.
Additionally, the line can be a little hectic as the area surrounding Alice in Wonderland is close-quartered, so there can be a bit of a backup of people. The queue has some great Alice-inspired decor, but it's not as engaging as other more entertaining Disneyland ride queues.
River here, and personally, this is one of my favorite rides. I love the multi-dimensional qualities of this attraction. You're low, you're high, you're inside, you're outside. It has great dynamics. We love the outdoor portion of this ride. It overlooks Fantasyland, giving you a great view of the teacups and an epic view of the Matterhorn. Going from the indoor to the outdoor section is a unique touch that helps tie in the essence of the Alice adventure, journeying from the regular world down into the rabbit hole and back again. The ride inclines to a 2-story building. It's the only inside dark ride that has outside elements as part of the ride itself. Most of the ride takes place on the 2nd story. The ground level of the same building actually holds another attraction. Can you guess which one? It's Mr. Toad's Wild Ride that fills the ground level, sharing the space with Alice.
The ride brings you through the whole Alice in Wonderland movie from beginning to end, hitting every iconic scene and making use of almost every major and minor character from the film. It's really a nostalgic feeling going through this ride.
The ride was updated in 2014, which really makes everything pop. The great use of colors, animatronics, and digital effects really brings a fullness to such a small space.
In particular, we love the Queen of Hearts and her loyal playing card guards. Riding Alice in Wonderland at night is incredibly beautiful. With the colorful lights glowing all over, it gives it a nostalgic romanticism that can't be beat. This ride is pretty loud and can be a bit disorienting. With that in mind, we think it could be a great choice if you want to introduce your youngest kids to a thrilling atmosphere. It can be kind of like a bridge to eventually introduce them to something bigger and scarier.
With all that said, we're going to give Alice in Wonderland an 8 out of 10 Mickey ears. This is a classic ride that evokes the essence of the film and adds that magical aura only Disneyland can provide. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.